Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you 7 new Fiverr gigs that will make you millions. These Fiverr gigs are low competition words and it's not yet saturated because a lot of people are not yet offering this service and you can make a whole lot of money from it while you jump into it as it's still new. So let's get right into these gigs. The number one on my list is job description. So let's go to the search bar on Fiverr. On the search bar, let's search for job description and see the people that are offering it and how low the competition is. So this is it on the search bar, job description, and you click on search. You can see available services. We have just 899 people offering this service. So it's quite low and it means your competition on this niche is not very high. And a lot of people are looking for who will help them write a job description for, like this person here. You can see I'll create a perfect job description for any position, and he have sold over 271 gigs and the starting price is $20. So let's open this person to see what he's doing. So I'll create a perfect job description for any position. His basic price is $20, his standard price is $100, and his premium is $190. And this is how much he have sold, and he still even have one order in queue. So you can actually create this gig. You can offer a job description for any position. You can use platform like ChatGPT or any AI tool to help write this job description. All you need to do is to rewrite and edit to suit the position the person is applying for. So that is one new Fiverr gig that you can actually jump into and you make a whole lot of money. So this is it, job description. We have just 899 people offering this service. The next on my list is website maintenance. So let's go on the search bar and search for this service. As you can see here, we just have only 1,288 people offering this service, which is quite low. So the competition on this service or this gig is low, and you can see people making money here. We have this person who has sold 96, starting price $25. We have 139. So this is it. You can see we even have 386 orders so far. And let's open to see this person, how much he has made so far from Fiverr. You can see here website maintenance, starting price is $25, standard $70, premium $200. So this person has really made a whole lot of money. As you can see, you still have 2 orders in queue. I'll help you to fix and maintain your WordPress website. So you can look at what this person is doing. If you haven't watched my video where I explain how you can create your gig on Fiverr, watch that video and understand the step-by-step process on how to go about it. So this is one gig you want to look into or you want to start offering on Fiverr. The third one on my list is podcast marketing. So let me go to fiverr.com and search for podcast marketing. Let's see the search results or the available service. So this is it. This is podcast marketing. Let's search for it. This is even quite low. The service available is just 371. We have someone who has sold 264 orders. So let's open this person to see so far his profile and what he's doing. I'll promote your podcast on Spotify, iHeartRadio, and all podcast platforms. Starting price is $55, standard $55, and premium $55, which is also a good offer. So you can choose. You can also craft out a niche from this podcast marketing. You can tell yours can be you can help them promote their podcast on Spotify alone, or you can just choose a radio platform or a particular platform that you want to focus on. One gig with low competition on Fiverr. So the fourth one is game coaching. So let's go back to Fiverr and on the search bar, let's search for game coaching to see the results. Let's search for game coaching here. Search. This is also quite low. We just have 144 service available. Someone has sold 487 sales and starting price is $20. Here it says, I'll be your professional chess coach and improve your game. So you can just pick a particular game that you want to offer. You can become a professional chess coach. You can become a professional poker coach. So you can just pick a particular game that you want to coach people on. So let's even open this person to see his profile and how much he has made so far. He has sold 487. His basic is $20. The standard is $55 and the premium is $100. So you can actually look through this niche, see how you can craft your own gig from it, and you can start making your money. So let's go to the fifth one, which is content strategy. So let's go back to Fiverr. So on the search bar, let's search for content strategy to see the search result. So this is the search result, just 848 service available, which is quite low. The competition is quite low. And right now, content is king everywhere. Everybody wants to become a content creator, either on Instagram or Facebook or whatever platform. So you can just pick a particular platform and decide to be a content strategist on it. You can choose Facebook, you can choose Instagram. You can see this person here. I'll create your professional Instagram content strategy, and he has sold 225 service and his starting price is $320. That's a whole lot. So let's open this person to see how their profile looks like. And see here, their basic is $320, their standard is $590, and their premium is $740. And she have sold 225 and still have 11 orders in queue. That's a whole lot. So you can look through some of these people and see how you can craft your own niche for yourself. The sixth one is local language subtitles. So let's go back to Fiverr and search for local language subtitles so that we can get the search result and also see the competition. So this one too is also low. It's just 1,604 service available. There are not much people offering this service. As you can see here, we have people offering this service. I'll professionally translate English to native Portuguese. I'll translate English to simplified Mandarin traditional Chinese. Let's see this person. I'll professionally translate English to native Portuguese. And she has sold 1,000 plus sales and her starting price is $10. So let's open to see her profile and what she has been doing so far. So I'll professionally translate English to native Portuguese. You can see starting price $10, standard $50, and premium $100. And as you can see here, orders completed 3,300 orders completed. So you can actually look at this kind of profile. You can translate English to a particular language like Portuguese, Chinese, and the rest. So you can actually create a gig on them. The seventh one right here, which is the last on my list, is writing frequently asked questions. So let's search on Fiverr to see the search result and the competition. On the search bar, let's search for writing FAQs. So this is the search result. You can see it's just 110 service available, which is low. The competition is quite low, so you don't have much competition here. You can actually offer this service. You can see here, I'll write FAQ page frequently asked questions within 24 hours. He has made 163 sales and the starting price is $5. So this is something you want to do. This is something you want to look into. Look at their profile, learn how to create a gig. Like I said, if you haven't watched my video on how to create your first gig on Fiverr, kindly watch that video and understand the step-by-step process on how to go about it. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.